We're hooked in there pretty good. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. First off, before we get this all going here, take a look at what the sunrise was like this morning right here at the beach. Right here at Surfside. Beautiful morning time here. Man, that's nice. I love being by the water, boy. I love it. So it's another day of this little excursion out, this little beachside adventure right here. And I'm doing our little breakfast cook for the wife. And it's Miss Melinda's birthday today. Yeah, it is. So you all wish her a very, very happy birthday. We'll have some breakfast burritos here. That is what's on the menu this morning here beachside. Slept pretty good last night. Got a little bit of sunburn on my back yesterday because I hadn't really had my shirt off out in the sun there at the farm and all. And got here and out there swimming yesterday and all. And time passed by before I knew it. And I got a little bit of lobster. Brian too. Brian's a little lobster boy right now too. We both got a little bit of cooking on our skin. So it was a little uncomfortable laying on it last night. I ain't gonna joke. Boy, it was just a little bit sensitive there last night. But I'll be all right. I'll be all right. I got this canopy here right now. I'm in the shade. I'm gonna go swim again here in a little bit, but I might wear a shirt this time. Might wear a shirt. Well, that's what's happening here. Melinda's talking to her family back over in the Philippines. Nieces and her brother and everybody. Little Mel's birthday, boy. Happy for her. I know some of you gonna ask, how old is Melinda? How old is Melinda? You know I'm not supposed to be telling a woman's age. She's old enough to know what's right and wrong. That's what I can say. Yeah, old enough to know what's right and wrong. The wind is taking away a little bit of my heat on my stove here. I've got it turned around backwards. So these little shields here can block the wind off the best it can. So got these sand dunes right here, you see them? It's got that vegetation all on them. I've been coming down around this way for years and I did not know there was rattlesnakes right here at this part of Texas. And Brian said his buddy Troy told him about rattlesnakes being in there, and I said, really? He said, that's what he said too, really? So I did a little old Google, got on the old internet there and checked it out, and sure enough, and they even got stories about a young boy not too long ago had to be care flighted out, got to mess around those dunes. You're supposed to stay out of them, stay off of them, stay out of them. And read several other articles and all, and it's talking about the rattlesnakes in here. They said they're not a western diamondback. They said they're more like a Mojave. This is Melinda's breakfast.
spill from my lips, feel big from the bib. Take a sip till I pass out. Try and get grit, but it don't make sense. Cause you can lose life on this fast route. Yeah, turn thoughts to a cash cow. I might flip that to the glass house. I don't need the accolades, I'm in love with the chase. I just wanna eat, save a spot at the table. Beast with the slap, pin myself on the map. You long with the wind, but we knowing that it's cap. 5-hour flights, couple nights at the flat. To be real, couldn't see me making moves while I'm at. I'm still on the grind, limit time when I chat. I'm burning down sage, keep the demons away. When I write it, give a piece of myself to the page. I don't do it for the praise, love, that's just how I'm made.
Truth in the glass in the mirror. Yeah. Do it at me, old man, tryna pass in the fear. You're the first one to talk, but the last one to hear. Eyes blurry, but I couldn't see the ass, and he cleared down. Start to feel like I'm on one. Settle in, I'll be here for the long run. I'm a slave for the cash, got snakes in the grass, no brakes on the ad, but it's all fun. We done seen it all, heard it all. Heard enough, give me space before I murder y'all. 10 bad bitches here, I'ma curve them all. 12 missed calls, and I still made a curtain call. Here to light it up, lighten up. Hear him talking, they ain't right enough, tighten up. Everything that I came for, I left with. I don't bang sets, I just bang on the set list. Going past supper when I came for the breakfast. Put me in your prayers, I might put you on the guest list. Young niggas in me reckless. Gold in my soul, got the same on my necklace, bitch.
Yeah, shark. I heard you cheer on there. I was laughing. Cool, cool. Yeah, his little buddy was still there with him. I did.
I think what we can use that I don't have my pliers.
Yeah, I was trying to think if I had some pliers in my truck there or not. Maybe he can get it with that. Here, let me hold that line up for you.
Can I put this right?
Come on, buddy. We're hooked in there pretty good.
I've got a long one. You want me to go get it? Let's see. Let's go here. It's needle those pliers. They're a long. It's in the side of the mouth. Yeah.
You got it.
Wow. Sorry, I didn't mean to get the things all wet.
Oh, it don't matter. They're stainless and they're tough.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That was really cool.
And there it goes. I caught a shark also. Dun 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 dun.
A good one, shark. A good one, shark.